Greetings, everyone, and welcome back. So today, right, we had an application here as we saw earlier. Right, so this was our slice box that we got animated, right? So now what we've gone ahead and done is we essentially turned this into a library, as you can see here, right? Some animation issues, but obviously, I'm definitely want to work on other projects. So I want to leave this as it is right now. There's a lot of features going on into it. So what I've done is I was able to deploy this to npm, right? But I think ultimately what I want is I want to set up the GitHub for this, right? So I think first things, um, right. So I think first things first. Let's try let's add in video. Let's have like the GitHub. Also want this GitHub right to node problem. Let's so where it lives, and then I have to update it later. So let's try to get that right now. I want to provide. So basically, I kind of want to provide this repo right to the GitHub to the npm library. So let's try to go ahead and let's go ahead and let's research how to do that. Right. So I think even better yet, what I want to go ahead and try and do here, what I want to go ahead and try and do is in order to get this done, I want to actually go into the node modules. Before I do a quick Google search, I want to actually go into the node modules and try to grab anything that's here and try to see if I could use that. Right, so let me just go grab the CDK. Let's grab this package.json. So, and this is its homepage. Right, Angular component, so GitHub. So I might as well do that as well. Right, and that's all the bundles. Right, so let's kind of implement that as well. So I believe that's npm.js for a sec, but let's go ahead and Angular templates. Well, let's set that up, and then what I want to continue to do, I actually want to move this out of the project, and I want to move it into, want to move it out of the project, and then I want to try and install it, right? So run task, right? So now, let's go ahead and package my projects, the new null slice box, and let's try to see if this patch comes up. Right, so basically this is the command flow. Right? I wish that VS Code would print out each line one by one, but that's okay. Right, so I cd into the project, the library folder, which is WML slicebox. Right here, I see npm version patch. Right, patch updates this number, minor updates this number, and major updates this number. Right, then build. Right, that's Angular. Right, I can't remember, but that's in general. I build Angular. But then at the end of that, right, I now go into my dist folder. Usually, I think it's like output or public, right, in React as well, and then I go ahead and publish, right? And I believe the publish this won't work because I need to provide for access public, but that's okay. I could go ahead. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I'm okay. So I kind of figured it out. Once it was like public once, then it'll be public again. Right? So let's try to see in version 1.0.1.